folks. Welcome back to Drinking It In. I am your host, Chris Casara. We are here to help you know more and drink better. And I'm here with the August Drinks Report that I know you've all been anxiously awaiting. Because frankly, the last 3 months I've been drinking too much, and I've always lamented that fact. So I went into this month thinking that, or not thinking, but with specific goal of keeping my consumption down. But you know, as I referenced in, I think I referenced it in the July report that I started the month off with a 10-drink day. So I wasn't really starting off very well. You know, golf tournament, 5 guys at my friend's house all day, right? So that was it was kind of bad. It was a bad start. But I vowed to really make it a positive month, and in the end, the total drinks for the month, including that 10-day. Guy was 34 drinks for a total of 1.1 per day. So really close to the 1 drink per day level. When you think about, it's 24 drinks over 30 days. That's even, the last 4 weeks has been really good for me. And I feel good. I feel, again, a little less puffy in my waist. And it's kind of keeping me going in that direction. Now, I have another bad start to the month. Tomorrow, I'm filming this on the 31st. Tomorrow, I'm doing a little tailgating at at an away game from my alma mater, URI, with some friends. So, but that starts later in the day, so it shouldn't be as bad as the 10 drink day that kicked off August. But a lot of cocktails, a lot of beer actually. So 13 cocktails, 8 glasses of beer. 4 glasses of sparkling wine, very little wine, which, again, I like to try to keep the wine ratios higher. That will be better, or the ratio will be higher in September, without a doubt. What are the best drinks of the month? Actually, no. Let's start with the worst drinks of the month. So the worst drink of the month was the first drink of the month, and I'll put the little picture up here. Of me enjoying a glass of Josh Prosecco Rosé. This picture is a before picture of the drink because it's probably the worst Prosecco I've had in a long time, if not ever. The Josh wines are it's a big brand. I find their wines very ordinary. I would never buy them necessarily. In a pinch, might be okay to have a glass, but don't buy that Prosecco Rosé. It was abysmal. I've never had a Prosecco that was just 100% bitter. And it's just no fun. The other not so great drink was on one of the prior videos I just did recently, was the 19 Christina Zweigelt. It just, it smelled nice. It had some nice aromas, but it just literally had no taste and no finish on the palate at all. Right? I didn't expect it to be a big, long finishing wine, but when I tell you it had zero finish, it was like light as a feather and almost like drinking water. That's what it was like, and I'd stay away from that. So, 2 best drinks of the month. I made a homemade daiquiri, right? What's a daiquiri? It's rum, simple syrup, and lime juice. And in the middle of the summer, with like this horrific heat that we've had all summer, right, all season, it was really, really nice and refreshing, and is really rocketing up the charts as far as drinks that I'm really gravitating towards. And then the other drink that was noteworthy, we went to Buttermilk and Bourbon, one of Jason Santos's restaurants in I guess the Watertown Mall in the Arsenal Yards in Watertown, Massachusetts. I did an Eagle Rare Manhattan that was just flawless. They did an amazing job making it, and I really liked it, and it really got me thinking again on, finding some Eagle Rare bourbon. Although that is hard to find these days because people are buying up a lot of the high quality bourbons, and it's making it tough for the normal folks to get their hands on it. So I hope everyone's proud of me, because I know I'm proud of myself for getting through this month without a big number. And we're going to keep some of the momentum going for next month. Again, around that 1 drink per day level. And that's about it. I hope you're drinking thoughtfully And if you guys have any behaviors that you're noticing, or if this is helping or hurting in any way, just let me know. Drop me a comment. I hope to see you soon, and cheers. I'm still waiting for Michael Bublé to show up, though. It's Chris. I wanted to thank you for joining. I appreciate all of the love that people have been giving this channel over certainly the most recent months. I encourage you to hit the like button, write some comments down there so we can continue the conversation. And I've put a video, a playlist up here for your enjoyment because I know you'll get some value out of it. And I look forward to seeing you more and more.